I'm Lasmana Putra. I'm the GM of Bali Zoo. Welcome to Bali Zoo. It was in 1990. My father and I went to Surabaya Zoo. And in Surabaya Zoo, we feed the giraffe and watching the keepers taking care of the elephants. So that was my first memory of going to the zoo. It's a very difficult decision when I have to replace him because, to be honest, I don't have the experience in managing a zoo. At that time, the condition of the zoo is not as good as now. We having a lot of difficulties with finance because the Bali bombing. But then I try. It took me like 2 years to fully in control with the zoo. But during the transformation of the zoo, my dad always by my side to help me if I have any question or any hesitation or anything. I could just ask him. So it's good to have my dad helping me here as well. Bali Zoo, we are home of like 450 animals from 70 species. Half of it is endangered animal, and we also succeeded breeding them here. We have the pangolin, Javan pangolin. We have the Sumatran tiger. We have the elephant. We have the silvery gibbon. We are here in Bali Zoo succeeded breeding one pair of silvery gibbon. They always breed every year. At this moment, we have 5 offspring, which one of them is already released in Java. So we already involved in conservation of silvery gibbon here. Animal welfare is very, very important because I think it's compulsory to have a good animal welfare in the zoo. Because if we want to make the visitor happy, the animal must be happy too. That's meaning animal that can climb, they must be able to climb. Animal that live in social group, they must be able to interact with the other species too. We have to provide them with enclosure or exhibit that can provoke their natural behavior. In the wild, animals express their natural behavior by raising their offspring. They must be able to breed here in the zoo. Breeding will stimulate a lot of their natural behavior. So that's very important. At this moment, we're building a huge exhibit called Savannah. It will be a new concept of exhibit. It also will set the standard of the zoo in Indonesia because this exhibit will be immersive. There will be no more cages, no more bars. Visitor and the animal will interact together. So it's like you're going into the wild. I think the biggest challenge in maintaining the zoo, because Bali Zoo is family owned, is to keep everyone happy, including the animal. So that's the biggest challenge here. It also, I think most of our visitor is tourists from overseas. So back home, their standard of the zoo is very high. The challenge is how to meet or exceed that expectation. How to make the standard of the zoo as good as in the other zoo.